In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pie chart in Microsoft Excel. We'll go through the process from setting up your data to inserting the chart, and the good news is that it only takes a few clicks once your information is organized properly. If you're new to Excel, don't worry. This is a very beginner-friendly task, and pie charts are a great way to visually show how different parts contribute to a whole. To begin, create a simple table in your worksheet and enter your data. In the first column, type category, and in the second column, type sales. Then fill in the rows with your values. Electronics with 450, clothing with 300, furniture with 150, and groceries with 100. The reason this structure matters is that Excel uses the first column as the labels for each slice of the pie, and the second column as the numbers that determine the size of each slice. Keeping the data clean and clearly labeled helps Excel build the chart correctly. Once your table is ready, the next step is to select the data you want to turn into a chart. Highlight the entire table, including the headers from cell A1 through B5. Including the headers is important because it gives Excel the context it needs to label the chart properly. If you only select the numbers without the category names, the chart may still appear, but it won't be as useful or as clear. After your data is selected, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. In the Charts group, click on Pie Chart. You'll then see different chart options. Choose the 2D pie chart. As soon as you click it, Excel will automatically generate a pie chart and place it on your worksheet. At this point, you'll have a basic pie chart that visually represents your sales data. Each slice will correspond to one of your categories, and the size of each slice will reflect its value compared to the total. This makes it easy to see, for example, that electronics takes up the largest portion while groceries represents the smallest share. If your chart looks a little small or is covering part of your worksheet, you can click and drag it to move it, or resize it from the corners so it fits better on the page. That way, it's easier to read and present, and that's how to make a pie chart in Microsoft Excel. Once your data is in place and properly selected, Excel does most of the work for you, making it a quick and effective way to turn numbers into a clear visual.